Hey there, this is Crystal and we're installing fonts in Microsoft Word. I know we have a lot of fonts in Word, but sometimes you might want to change it up a little bit. So you can go to the internet, Google free fonts, and any font that you like, you can just download it as a zip file right on your desktop. Here's one that I downloaded. The nice thing about downloading it is once I just get it in this file, I can just double click right now, and it gives me a nice sample of it. All the way towards the upper left-hand corner, I can actually print it if I want just a hard copy of it, but I'm just going to install it. And once I install it, it gets added to my Microsoft list, and actually it'll be in any Microsoft product. And there you have it. That's installing fonts in Microsoft Word. This is Crystal. See you soon.